Have you ever noticed how contagious yawning can be? You see someone yawn and suddenly you're yawning too. It turns out this isn't just a quirky coincidence. It's called social or contagious yawning, and it's linked to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brain mirrors that action, almost like a reflex. This response is believed to be rooted in our evolutionary past, helping us stay connected with others in our group. So, the next time you find yourself yawning after someone else, remember, it's not your fault. It's just your brain's way of keeping you in sync with those around you.